All right, guys, today we're talking about multiplying fractions by whole numbers, fractions by mixed numbers, and right now this is probably the hardest problem I could have chosen just because it is mixed number by mixed number. But if we start with the harder problems, then we can do the easier problems with ease. So this problem says there are 3 1/4 packages of pencils on the desk. One full package weighs 1 1/2 pound. How much do all of the containers weigh? So yesterday in your assignment, you hopefully you noticed that when we multiplied a whole number by a fraction, that the product became smaller than the whole number we were multiplying by. But when we multiplied a whole number by an improper fraction, which is just a mixed number converted to fraction form, when we multiplied it by a mixed number, which is a value more than one whole, the product became larger than the whole number we were multiplying by. So in this case, we have two whole numbers. We have 3 and 1 and 2 fractions. So we know that the product is going to increase. The product is going to be larger than the numbers that we're multiplying, because we're working with whole numbers. So the first thing I need to do here, there was a little bit of confusion with this in yesterday's assignment. I'm going to write in red, I guess, first. So a little confusion in yesterday's assignment. We cannot multiply mixed numbers as mixed numbers. We're going to multiply the same value, but we have to change them to improper fractions. So to do that, we're going to use the MAD strategy to convert. We're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator. So we have 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 more is 13. So 13/4. So now I need to convert really quickly the other one using the same strategy, 1 1/2 denominator. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 more is 3. And the denominator stays the same, so 3/2. So instead of my problem, which would be, sorry, let me back that up a little bit. What the problem says is 1 1/2 pounds, 3 1/4 times. Instead, I'm going to multiply 13/4, which would be 3 1/4 times 3/2, which would be 1 1/2, because it is 1 1/2, 3 1/4 times. So I'm going to come up here. I could do this in my head, but just to show everybody on the side, 13 times 3 would be 39. 4 times 2 is one of our facts, so that one I can do in my head here. So I get the product of 39/8. I saw a lot of answers entered as improper fractions yesterday. Make sure that you convert these to find your answer. That's part of simplifying. So what this really says is 39 divided by 8. So 39 divided by 8, I'll write it right down here. 39 divided by 8. I'm going to ask myself, how many groups of 8 can I make with 39? 5 groups would be just a little too many. That would be 40. So let's start with 4 groups of 8. 4 times 8 is 32, with 7 left over. Now, we don't have a remainder when we're working with fractions. Remainder is how many pieces or parts we have. And 8 stays our denominator because that's how many parts make up the whole. So our answer to how much do all of the containers weigh, see, let me go down here, 39/8. I can't get this low on the Wacom tablet. I think I need Jay to come back and fix it again. So